All right, WMC, this is the video to randomize our draft order for tonight's. We're going to call it break number one, but this will open at the end to find our draft order for the treasure box. So we'll check the time, April 3rd at 3:36 p.m. I'm going to go over to we'll call it the break and type live, April 3rd at 3:36 p.m. There is the list of our 12 entries. We're just going to randomize your names. And whoever's in spot one after the final roll will have first pick, spot two, second pick, spot three, and all the way down to 12. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Joshua first pick, Joe second pick, Brad third pick, Jake all the way down to Bryn in spot 12. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 3rd, 3:36 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.